revealing the real facts about cucumbers from a microscope. The round shape you can see is the water content in the cucumber. Even though the cucumber skin is yellow, the cucumber flesh still contains water. Hi friends, have you ever opened the fridge, wanted to grab a cucumber to eat, only to find that the skin had turned yellow? If you look, the cucumber flesh is starting to turn yellow. I was immediately confused. My heart asked myself, is this still safe to eat? So, in this video, we'll thoroughly unravel all the mysteries of this yellow cucumber. We'll answer questions about nutrition, safety, and what's really going on. So, watch until the end. Look closely. Look, there are lots of fibers in the cucumber, and you can also see the water content. First of all, let's understand what causes it. So, cucumber skin turning yellow is mainly due to two things. First, it's too old or overripe. Just like bananas go from green to yellow, cucumbers also go through a ripening process. Their green color comes from chlorophyll. As it ages, this chlorophyll fades and yellow pigments called carotenoids, the same ones in carrots, become more visible. Second, storage factors. Storing cucumbers near fruits like bananas, apples, or tomatoes can speed up this process. Why? Because the fruit emits ethylene gas, the ripening gas that tells the cucumber to ripen quickly. Now, here's an important question. Are the nutrients reduced? The answer is yes, especially for certain nutrients. Fresh, green cucumbers are a champion of hydration and vitamin C. As cucumbers begin to yellow and age, their water content decreases, making them less crunchy, and that sensitive vitamin C also begins to diminish. Some nutrients, such as fiber and minerals, remain relatively intact. Essentially, its nutritional value peaks when it's still green and fresh. Now, the most anticipated question, is it okay to eat it? Generally speaking, yes, as long as pay close attention to this. If the cucumber only has yellow skin, but the flesh still feels firm, is not too slimy, is not moldy, and does not smell sour or rotten, then it is still safe to consume. However, be wary of the potential bitterness. This bitterness comes from a natural compound called cucurbitacin, the levels of which increase as cucumbers age. This bitterness is the plant's natural defense mechanism. So, what are the effects on our bodies? If the yellow cucumber is still in a healthy condition, as described above, the effects on healthy people are generally minimal. Perhaps just some stomach discomfort if the taste is too bitter. prevent cucumbers from turning yellow quickly, store them in the refrigerator at a temperature that is not too cold, and do not store them near bananas, apples, or tomatoes. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.